Hello my lovely fans, it is another beautiful day as I welcome you to Menalize TV. We have started with angles. In our previous lesson, we were trying to solve past questions based on angles. And this morning, we are going to continue solving some examples of past questions as well. Remember, the channel name is Menalize TV. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so by pressing the notification button, that whenever we load a new video, you'll be the first to watch, comment, and like. First example that is here. So you have to find the value of y in the diagram here. So when you look at this, to find y here, the y is interior angle. And then the sum of the interior angles of a triangle will give you 360. But before that, there is no angle here, there is no angle here, only y that you have here. So which means that when you look at this, we have two markings on the line, which means the angle at B and the angle at A are the same. But there's no angle values here. So what we have to do is what? We have to look at angle properties. So looking at angle properties, you realize that the angle at C here, the angle DCA is alternating to CAB. So this angle 54 here is the same as the angle here. So alternate angles are formed at the corners of the letter Z, which means that the angle here is also what? 54 degrees. Now since we have two markings on the triangle, it means these base angles are what? The same. So that means this side is also 54 degrees. So the 54 and the 54 here, or the angle here, they are alternate angles. And these two, we can find the value of y. So the y plus 54 degrees. So the y plus 54 degrees is equal to 180. The reason is there are sum of angles in a triangle. So sum of angles in a triangle give what? 180 degrees. So from there you can say that y plus 108 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So you group like terms. So y is equal to 180 degrees minus 108 degrees. So there our y is equal to 72 degrees. So we come to our second diagram. So we are going to find the value of x that we have there. So looking at this, 3x minus 16 and then 118 degrees, they are co-interior angles. So co-interior angles, their sum will give what? 180 degrees. Or the sum of co-interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. So that means so 3x minus 16 plus 118 degrees will give you 180 degrees. So minus 16 plus 118 will give us 102 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. So let's look the like terms and see what we have. So we have 3x, which is equal to 180 degrees minus 102 degrees. So there we are left with 78 degrees. So since you are looking for the value of x, not 3x, then we have to divide by the coefficient of x, which is 3. So both sides divided by 3. So 3 will go into 78, 26 times. So that means the value of our x here is 26 degrees. So that means 26 times 3 minus 16 plus 118 will surely give us 180 degrees. Then from there we have our third diagram here. Let's look at it and see how best we can solve it as well. We have m here, we have 120 and we have 106 there. So you have to find the value of this m. But the m is interior angle. But before you can find that interior angle, then the sum of the M and these angles have to give you what? 180. So now adjacent angles will give you what? 180. So if this is 120 degrees, definitely this is 60 degrees here. And then this is 106 degrees, this will be 74 degrees here as well. So from there you can say that the M plus 60 plus 74 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So from there we can say that M, so the 60 plus 74 will give us 134 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. Now from here we need to group like terms to make M standing alone. So our M is equal to 180 degrees minus 134 degrees. So there the M is equal to, so when you take 134 from 180, then you'll be left with 46 degrees. So this 46 degrees is the value of the M here. So before we got to that, you realize that the angles on the straight line will give what? 180. So if this is 120, this is what? 60 degrees. And this is 106, this is what? 74 degrees. Thanks so much for watching today's episode. Remember to subscribe to this channel, Menalize TV, for more updates. Thank you so much.